Google Drive is amazing till the time it starts filling up, and one of the things that fills it up are photographs. So friends, we have got the solution for you on how to reclaim the space. So let me show you. So go inside the folder and just get the URL. Just copy the URL of this folder and just enter this here. And now what we will do is that we will just simply click on this button CEOITBOX and click on import. And what you will see now is that in the data tab, all the images will start coming in. Okay, so it is now getting in all the images. Now let us come to compression. So one way to do the compression is to do it manually. You can come here, you can click on convert. So you have selected the files that are going to get converted and click on convert. So it is going to compress them, and you will see that the file that is approximately 1579 kilobytes is now just 652 kilobytes, so 59% compression. And if I come back to the report page, which is the setting page, you can see that already it has started saving a huge amount of space, 5 MB it is already saved, and it is showing you that 10 files have been processed, and the green bar, this shows you the space that is getting saved. Okay, so it's showing you in terms of the file size. So what is the original size of these files that have been processed? It was 19 MB, now it is 9 MB. And you can download this tool free of cost from gdss.coitbox.com. This site will open up and you can go ahead and download it and see the demo on how to utilize it. So please go ahead and test this out. This utility is totally free of cost for up to 500 files. So up to 500 files, you don't have to pay anything. And I'm sure that this will help you save tons of space. More than 500 files, you have to pay a little bit of money, but I'm sure that this is well worth the amount of space that you will be saving from your Google Drive, and you don't have to purchase anything from Google Drive. So go ahead and test this out, and I look forward to hearing your comments and suggestions on how you like this utility.